Hello guys, this is EVFreaks and we are located in our CNC in-house HQ. I'll show you how we engineering and manufacturing our parts before we fitting them on our bikes and test riding them. Welcome to our crib and let's go! That's our little 3D printing room where we do taking measurements from the bikes. Basically what we are doing in this room, we are engineering and working on different designs for our parts. Like this, for example. This is a frame extender.
Hello, I'm Šarūnas and I'm working with EVFreaks. We try to optimize the parts as much as we can to make them as light and strong as possible. The biggest challenge while designing parts for EVFreaks is the high requirements for precision and the looks of the parts. So we have to overcome those challenges to make the products look as best as they can.
Once it's all done right, we are 3D printing. Like this triangle now we've been printing for the Ultra B. So after we are sure what all the fixing points and all the geometry is perfect, we are transferring all our parts to our manufacturing site. So guys, I want to show you right now our best seller part, which we are really the most proud of. Only engineering process for this took for us development stage 6 months. This is our frame extenders, as you can see. Now we have sold 100 last year of them around the world. We're really proud of this part because it's completely machined from aluminum class 6. It's precise, it's strong, and is light as much as possible. It's not gonna break, it's not gonna bend.
So we mainly use European source materials, all from European suppliers. All of our materials come with material certificates. We have a full traceability of every batch and every material order. And for e-bike production, we mainly use 6082 and 7075 aluminum. So 6082 is all-rounded grade, which is really good for anodizing and machining. 7075 is mostly used for parts which needs to withstand a huge load, and it's really strong aluminum used in the aircraft industry.
So last year in UK we've been racing with this bike, with this frame extender. We have identified to 5 different race series and it's never crashed, it's never bent. It's after we've made sure what is all working fine. So before we dropping anything to sell, we do really right, we do really test. We're making different versions, V2, V3, until it's ready for you guys to play.
This is one of our larger machines. Since it's large, it's rigid, allows to complete more parts per set.
Currently we are in our quality control room. We want to make sure what our tolerance is exactly precise as much as possible for the bearing to don't wobble and don't play, so it ensures your long-lasting time. And that's all the tools and all the toys we are playing with. One of our operators, he's making some checks. Recently we just have machines our new batch of seat extenders for Suron, and he's making sure is always top-notch.
Talking about electric bikes, I only tried them when we started working with EVFreaks, and before trying the electric bikes I was skeptic about them. I thought it's just a bicycle with not powerful motor and it's not fun to ride, but the first ride we took with EVFreaks was amazing. I totally changed my mind about the concept of those bikes, and all the parts we designed just made more sense to me after that.
I got to know this industry through EVFreaks. Actually, I was quite skeptical at first. I saw it as a really small market. But then we started machining parts. I see this industry quite differently. It's really exciting. I got my first e-bike several months after we started production, and I really enjoy it. It's a great hobby.
So that was very first video from our in-house CNC facility. If you have any questions, just let us know and we will gonna help you. So bye bye guys, and I see you next time.